Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert WebP image format into JPG format. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, I have some images of WebP format. I am going to right click on go to property and look, this is WebP format and I'm going to open the image. Look, this is the WebP image and I will convert this image into JPG. Go to Google Chrome browser and in search type convert WebP to JPG. Hit enter. You will find ENT.com and open this link. Here, click on choose file and open your WebP image and click on select the WebP image and click on open. Now the WebP image is selected and click on upload. The image is uploaded. Now the JPG image quality factor by default is 85%. You can increase the quality to 100% and you can also change the color from here as you wish. Okay, you can change the color as you wish, background color, and now click on convert to JPG and this one the converted JPG image and this one your original WebP image. Now you can crop this image, resize, rotate, or many editing tool you will find here. I'm not going to edit my image. Just click on save. And look, the file is saved on my computer. I'm going to open my file. This on the converted JPG image file. I'm going to open this file. Look, this is the converted JPG image file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.